Whether you make an egg salad sandwich, a wrap, or pair it for lunch with crackers, in today's video, you're gonna learn how to pack that egg salad in the morning and keep it fresh till lunch. Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I'm so excited that you're here. On this channel, I share tons of school lunch ideas and answer all of your how to pack questions, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when a new video drops each week. And if you're here because you opened your lunch container and that egg salad was a little smelly, I'm also gonna share 2 ways to prevent that. Egg salad is great for school because it's high in protein and it can stay fresh for up to 5 hours without refrigeration. Of course, we're talking about egg salad made with jar mayonnaise or yogurt. Egg salad made with homemade mayo, which has raw eggs, should not be packed for school. Another thing you should know is that if the lunch bag is going to be sitting outside when it's hot, even if it's in an insulated lunch bag, you're gonna want to add an ice pack. And I'm gonna tell you more about ice packs in just a minute. And by the way, if packing lunches is total struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that's gonna help you build quick lunches by mix and matching ingredients that you already have on hand. Now, the logistics of packing egg salad. Here I have an egg salad wrap, here I have an egg salad sandwich, and here I have an egg salad container with crackers. In this last one, you're gonna notice that the egg salad is in one container by itself and the crackers are completely separate. Keeping the crackers separate from the egg salad is gonna keep them nice and crisp until lunch. Now, the egg salad sandwich is gonna go on its own compartment too, but there is one thing I wanna show you real close, which is particularly important if you buy store-bought egg salad. As you can see, my sandwich bread is nice and soft, and store-bought egg salad tends to be heavy on the mayo, so I place lettuce leaves between the bread and the egg salad to prevent my salad sandwich from getting soggy. If lettuce is not an option, I would recommend that you swap out the soft bread for a bagel, heartier bread, or even a wrap, all of which hold up better until lunch. Now, as you can see, the egg salad wrap is also packed in a separate compartment from the fruit and the veggies. Now, the final step is to pack all of it in a lunch bag, and even if the lunch bag is kept in a locker or classroom, I do recommend adding an ice pack with the lunch because an ice pack is going to help regulate the temperature inside of the lunch bag once you zip it up. And that eggy smell, well, that happens when the egg salad gets warm, and it's not necessarily because it's bad. Now, you can prevent it by packing the egg salad separate from other foods and making sure that you add an ice pack inside of the lunch bag as close to the food as possible, which is why I put it under the container. Now, on extra hot days or if the lunch bag sits outside, you may want to add 2 just to keep the temperature nice and chilled. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and watch this next one. See you next time.